Holy Jesus. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, now guys, this is the test storm. Yeah, the test storm in New South Wales, Australia, Sydney. Yep. Holy shit. Holy. See, this is 6:15 in the morning. 6:15. And this is not how it's supposed to be look like. Oh my God. I have never seen such scene like this before in my life. Oh my God. Just now I realized that we live next to the desert. Oh my God. Look at that. You can't smell that, but I can. It's so dusty right now. It's full of dust everywhere. Yeah, you see that? You can hear the wind sound. The wind blowing like 100 kilometers per hour. Oh, now that's so bad. That's so bad. It's so dusty. It's a dust storm. It's a dust storm. See, everywhere, dust everywhere. I woke up this morning and it was so windy, so foggy at first, so foggy, and I felt like, oh, it's gonna be hot in the daytime, but eventually it's becoming red, and Sydney is bleeding right now. Look at that. That's not how it's supposed to look. Oh. What's happening? Yeah, it's a storm.
Storm?
Yeah, it's dust storm. You just woke up? It's a dust storm. It's from the desert. Yeah, I just woke up this morning and it's fine. In the morning it was fine, like 5:30. It was so foggy. I told you like last time it was so foggy and like snowy, but it's not snowy, it's foggy, and it's
Where's
the
the
wind is
storm?
blowing too. No, it is storm now.
No?
Yeah,
It's so small. It's not storm.
it is storm. I mean, the wind is blowing 100 kilometers per hour, man.
Whoa! Whoa! Wow!
No, I mean,
100?
really? I mean, not here. In the desert, maybe. Yeah. Stay indoors. Stay indoors. It's so dusty everywhere. There's no umbrella. What did you do to stay so long? I wish it wouldn't go any worse. Sydney is covered by dust. Okay guys, I'm gonna sign out. That's it. Sydney right now, it's bleeding. So bleeding now. So bad. Bye guys. Morning. Bloody morning.